We take great pride in showcasing the design highlights of the new Innova. Glamorous yet tough, it is streamlined to the millennial family needs. As far as the exterior design is concerned, we have moved away from the MPV design to an SUV-centric design that spells stature and a muscular stance. Now let us present to you the key design attributes that accentuate this muscular stance. The new Innova flaunts a raised bonnet line, larger grille and wider bumper, giving an impressive stance. It also features premium super chrome metallic alloy wheels with larger tires and broader tire width. Further, we've moved the A-pillar back and tilted the D-pillar forward with shorter overhangs and gave tones to mirror the powerful exterior. To amplify the high stature, embellishments of soft touch materials have been added across the cabin. Dark chestnut seats with quilting also add to the high appeal of the new Innova. Most Indians have large families and they travel together, especially during festive occasions. Let's look at some of the high comforts and features that make the new Innova a joy to travel in. For enhanced driving comfort, we raised the eye point and introduced ventilated front seats to mitigate hot Indian conditions. We installed a new 10.1-inch connected display audio and a premium 9-speaker JBL system for awesome infotainment experience. Moreover, we have ushered a new high in comfort with powered Ottoman seats in the second row. And to accommodate your joyful moments with loved ones, we've extended the wheelbase to the longest in the class. To further make those moments more memorable, we are enhancing your experience with a panoramic sunroof and mood lighting. Luggage and also enhance luggage space. In keeping with our responsibility as a conscious company towards carbon neutrality, we adopted the state-of-the-art 5th generation SHEV system built on the global TNGA platform, which provides quick acceleration and maneuverability. This ensures that the new Innova goes from 0 to 100 in under 10 seconds. Seriously quick. It is also incredibly practical as it offers overwhelming fuel efficiency of 21.1 km per litre. This gives a range of 1,097 km on a full tank, ensuring an economical drive. We have also given thorough consideration to Indian driving conditions and tuned the suspension performance and ground clearance to handle potholes and speed breakers with ease, thus achieving a high ride quality and comfort. When it comes to safety, we never cut corners, and the new Innova is no exception. That's why we have